How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your Snapchat application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, what you want to do here is to simply tap this search icon or button here at the top left corner. And the next thing to do is to search for that specific place or location. For example, we want to add friends from Los Angeles. Okay, so we have to type Los Angeles here, but everything is up to you if you want to type other city or location. This is just an example. And then what you want to do next is to simply click place. Okay, Los Angeles place, tap this one. Now you can also add enable location if you want to, but this time I have to skip this. So let's just say you are now seeing different videos and reels posted by people living in Los Angeles, and you really want to get know more about this creator's, status, or you want to get friend with this creator. So let's just scroll and look for something interesting here. Okay. So all you have to do is to simply click that video or reel. Okay. And then once you tap that video, at the bottom right corner, you will see three dots. All you have to do is to tap that one. Now here you have to scroll down. As you can see, we have here lens. You just have to go down and look for creators. Okay. Now, as you can see, creator, if you see this add button here, that means this person will allow someone to add them. So all you have to do is to tap that one. And you can do this to other videos there and add people who's living in Los Angeles. So this is how easy it is to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.